Yeah. Okay, so we're live and we're gonna make a game in Scratch. Let's go ahead and go to full screen mode and let's delete the sprite, the cat sprite. It's kind of not good, so yeah. We're gonna do that and then we're going to go to code and we're going to start. Actually, we're gonna import a sprite that it was a character that I was gonna make for a platformer, but I've used it for multiple games now. It's not platformer. We're naming him Dave this time. Actually, no, we're not naming him player, but player. There we go. Let's go ahead and do that, and we're going to go to events and when game if I clicked. Today we're gonna be making a shooter game, by the way. I forgot to mention that. So it's gonna be a when game if I clicked forever, we're gonna set up the movement. And if you want to know how to do movement, then you can go to my channel and I have a tutorial on how to do movement for a game. Let's go ahead and then go to sensing, go to if a key is pressed, then we're going to set that up. We're about to have to make a variables. Let's make a, no, not block, a variable. Yeah, make a variable. We're gonna make speed y. I keep type y, and then speed x. Click enter. I don't want to show those, so there we go. So now we go to motion. Let's go ahead and set up our keys. We're going to do the ASWD keys and the arrow keys, but I like to start off with the ASW and D keys. So it is to be D, W, and S. That should work. Perfect. And we're going to let's go ahead and for A and D's and X, we're gonna change X by the and then since A is minus, we're gonna do that. Let's go to variables, change X and stuff by X speed and Y speed. Then we're gonna go to W, go change M by Y. We should, after I finish this, set my variables, grab a minus, and then put speed Y into it. There we go. I want to make sure we make these to be 5. That's going to be our speed. For our game, let's go ahead and up the size of our player. He's a bit small. Let's go ahead and do him like 200. Should be good. And now we can run the project and see if it works. It's not working. Why is it not working? Come on. Oh wait, because these are not right. Variables. Okay, there we go. Now we just need to rerun this project. There we go. And now we're good. So that is the player movement now, but we're gonna copy this so that we can make the arrow keys. And when I'm finished with this, we are going to put it, and I'm gonna upload it to the game, to Scratch if you want to play it at the end of this live stream. So basically, this is our game. It's gonna be a shooter game, so I need a nice shooter. I already said it was gonna be a shooter game, but anyways, so let's change it to be left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, and down arrow. Make sure this works. Up, right, down, left. Okay, all the buttons work. So now we're gonna create we have to create a sprite for the enemy. We'll do the gun after. Yeah, we'll do the gun after. So it's gonna make an enemy. And we're gonna make him red, like I always do all my enemies. This guy's enemy. I'm gonna try and make him a little bit better than how I usually make my enemies. Let's zoom in since it's gonna be pixel art. Okay, where's the? Yeah, there's the center. Okay, so let's delete. Let's go ahead and go back to this. Change the color. Be a red color. We're just gonna literally just do a dot, but make them bigger. No, circle, 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 circle. I'm kidding. Obviously, I'm not gonna do that. That's just stupid. We're actually gonna use one of the sprites that are already in. No, we're gonna use one of the sprites that are already here. Actually, let's find one. Hold on. Let's let them load so I can see them. There we go. We're gonna do. What should I do? We're gonna do the dinosaur. The dinosaur is gonna be our sprite that we're gonna delete and stuff. So actually, let's size him down to 50. No, he needs to be smaller than about the same size as the player. So 25. That should be good. And now we're gonna go to the code for it. I think actually we can't do the code until. Well, I mean, actually we can do the code too. Actually, so when we're gonna no, because we're gonna do clone. So when I start as clone, looks, we're gonna show. We have to go back to motion. I like to glide 5 seconds, 5 seconds towards the player. And that should glide him to the player. No. Okay, well he's not a clone actually, so just click it and it will automatically run and glide him to the player. It does take him 5 seconds to do that. Let's actually bring that down to 3 seconds. So there's that, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go. That's gonna be that for right now. We have to create the gun and then the blaster. We're gonna name him blaster because I don't know. But anyways, it's gonna be black blaster, which is a gun. If you did not already know that. And then there we go. There's our gun. Pretty simple. We're gonna select the pixel. Let's move him to the middle. There we go. And let's go to code. We need to make it to where when the green flag clicked, he is going to the player and is pointing towards mouse pointer. So now we click the green flag. Oh wait, I forgot to put that in a forever loop. So that goes forever. There we go. And now he's gonna point towards the mouse pointer. And then we'll create a bullet. I'm gonna name it dart. There we go. This is gonna be a blue bullet. It's gonna be like a light blue. Why don't we go like this? Oh no, I don't have that. There we go. He's pretty big. Let's size him down some. By size him down, I mean like that. That should work. No, not like that. Hold on. Look at this. Size it down this way. That should work. Put him in the middle. And there we go. So now, we need to go back to this, and we're gonna do forever if sensing or no touching a dart where we will delete the clone. So let's go to delete the clone, and then we'll add the points later whenever we do that. So now we need to create a way to start that as a clone and a way to start the bullet as a clone. So we actually need to add the code for the dart. So yeah, when I start as a clone, show them, and we will. What do I do next? Can't remember. I think we're gonna show them. We're going to go to the player, and we're going to point towards mouse pointer, and then when we grab a forever loop. Wait, yeah, forever. We're going to. No, we don't need a forever loop for this. We're going to go to the mouse pointer, and we're going to grab a repeat until. Grab an or statement. We're gonna repeat until touching. Yeah, we had a sensing touching either the edge or touching the enemy, which will be the dinosaur. So you change them to enemy. There we go. I don't have time to do that. So, anyways, we're gonna or touching enemy. Repeat until doing that, and then what we're gonna do is we're going to do that. It's going to move 10 steps. So let's grab a move 10 steps. That should theoretically work, but we don't have a way to. Oh, we also have to grab a when green flag clicked. Looks, we're going to hide them. Let's do that. Let's hide the guy. I think that should be it for that code. That should be it for the dart, and the gun, the blaster should be done, and then the player. Let's go ahead and add up the things for the player. So, if it's when green flag clicked, we will we're going to test. So we need to go to a forever test for if key is pressed. What key? The test for the, not the key is pressed, this is going to be for the bullet, so key will be the next time we do it. So test for if mouse down, then we're going to create a clone of the dart, and then basically duplicate this, but just change it to that. I want to create a clone of enemy. I want to make it key R is pressed. Key R, where's the R key? It's down here. So there we go. That should be done. So this should be good. Oh, that's a little bit of a, that's a lot of bullets. And I forgot to set up the delete for the bullets, so let's do some more code. We need to make sure that we also hide this whenever we're doing it. So hide. And then that should be that. But obviously we can't have that many bullets. So go back to the dart. I'm gonna go back to the player. We're gonna wait before we create a clone of the bullet. We are going to wait 0.25 seconds. That's how I always do, and that is good. But we do need to go back to the dart and test for when I start as a clone. If touching these, we need to delete. So grab a forever loop. If touching those two, then we're going to delete the clone. Now that should work. Let's test. Yep, that works. It does that right. It does delete the bullet whenever we're touching that. Why can I not see my gun? What? This doesn't make any sense. Do we need to add a wing if I clicked show? Maybe? Show. Yeah, I still can't see it. Is the... Do we need to move to the front? Go to the front layer. Yeah, that's what we need to do. Okay. So, now in the front layer. And that is all good. Now we need to set up the... If touching the dart, it should delete the clone already. But we probably should move that to different. When it starts a clone, if touching dart, then delete the clone. So let's test it. It's not doing it. Okay. Instead of doing that, we're gonna go to stop all. Stop this script. If the bullet is touched. Why isn't it working? Oh. Let's test if we hide it instead of, because I don't know why it's not deleting, so hide is gonna have to work for right now. So that should hopefully work. And no, it's not working. Why isn't it working? Let me quickly go look at the code for my my circle shooter to see, because I don't know what I did wrong. So let's go ahead and go to my mine. No, go to my. Go to me. Michael the developer. And let's. I only have one viewer, so I don't know why I'm really talking, but you know, it's fine. But we're gonna go to the circle shooter. Go to the enemy sprite. See inside. And look at the enemy sprite. If touching. Oh, wait, I don't have forever. If touching that. Wait, do I? Yeah, if it's touching. Probably should put that in a forever loop. So, yeah. I do think I should put that in a forever loop. So it has show. I forgot to put the go to random position too. So, I'm glad I do have that. Let's go to, no, do that. And then we will add that one. Oh, no, wrong button. Or wrong way. Not wrong button. There we go. And then that should work, right? That should be all that I need. Forever when I search clone, delete it. So, for some reason it's not deleting it. Oh, this is gonna be so aggravating. Oh, wait, it's working now. Wait, I'm so confused. I'm so confused. What's going on? I'm so confused. What's going on? Okay, I don't know the error, but that's interesting. It's not working, and I don't know why. So that is weird. But anyways, let's go ahead and set up the point variable, I guess, for the score. And I'll make it for this sprite only. For some reason, and we're gonna set or change score by 1. So that now should work, but it's not working. Only if it finishes it's where it's going, then it'll work. And I don't know why it does that. Let's look at this. What if we do instead of that? No, it won't work. What if we I don't know what to do. It's not working and I don't know why. But that's that. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Because every single code is the same. When we've removed that clicked hide, when I start clone, forever if touching the dark, then I will change the points by 1 and then delete the clone. And then it always goes to a random shows and then goes to a random position. That code works. This code works, but I don't know why it's not. I don't know why it's not doing the same thing. I do need to delete the score because we need to actually add these to all the sprites instead of. So let's go ahead and redo the score instead of it showing the enemies. Okay. Score is not score. Score does not already exist. I deleted it. 4. Wait, find points. Points. There we go. There we go. So then it's going to change points by 1. There we go. And that should work. But I don't know why it's not working. Because I bet you, look, let's quickly, let me do something real quick. We're going to add this to my backpack. Add it to the backpack. There we go. Now we have that code. And if I delete this entire thing, go into my backpack, and then drag it out. Why is it not going? Huh. Wait, we have to bring it to the enemy. Yeah, we did. Okay, so it's now at the enemy, and if we change from bullet to being the dart, then it'll work perfectly fine. Watch. Okay, well, it doesn't work. I don't know what's going on, and I can't figure it out. So I spent, how long is this stream? Let me see. This stream is 26 minutes long, and I don't know what's going on. Well, luckily, right now, there's no one in the stream, so I guess that's a good thing. Besides me. But that's interesting. I don't understand. Also, my tablet, which is what I'm using to show the chat, well, it doesn't show the chat, but that could be for other reasons. So what we're gonna do instead is look at the chat here. Refresh chat. Yeah, there's no chat. I'm using Streamlabs, by the way, because OBS does not work for streaming. Like, it's very laggy to stream in OBS with this. So, but it works really well, actually. This, I'm pretty sure Streamlabs has the ability to do something else. But anyways, since this isn't working, this game is being weird. Because if I, yeah. All of my code is the same, but it's not working. Is it something to do with these? No. Okay, so duplicate. When we've clicked, we're going to create a clone of myself, actually. And you can't see it because, but now, look, you can see it. So, but we're also going to do, when if I clicked hide them, because this is the same way that I did the code for the circle shooter. So I'm just going to do the exact same thing, basically. Because I do want to add a play screen. And this is just the easiest way that I know how to do it. There we go. I forgot to get his movement down. So when I start as a clone, but instead of this would do when green flag when I start as a clone, then we're gonna do it. Duplicate. Duplicate. Bring over here. And when I start as a clone. So that should work. Oh, last source of clone we need to show. Where's he at? Last source of clone show. There we go. So now I do need to do some other things, like whenever I start a clone, whenever if I click duplicate, go to 0, 0. I'm gonna go to 0, 0, and we're also going to duplicate the go to 0, 0 screen and put it under the when I start a clone. There we go. So now they're both gonna go to 0, 0. That way the code works just as well. You can't really see this, right? I don't know how to fix that, but anyways, so that's that. And then we also need to make sure that let's go ahead and create our let's go ahead and create the play screen. So it's literally just gonna be, the game is just gonna be called Shooter because I don't know exactly, I don't know, but it's gonna be Shooter. Let's change the color to be black. Let's change this to be Pixel, because Pixel is the best. And then let's move you, make you bigger. There we go. And that's all we need to do actually, for that, because we do need to make a sprite for the play button. So name that, and then we're going to create our play button, which is just gonna be a rectangle that is white, but we're gonna outline them to be black. There we go. And we're going to make sure that this goes to 0, 0. Let's make sure the code, when we go to 0, 0. That's gonna aggravate me. The backdrop needs to be the same as height, not height. Move, no, delete that. Put you in the middle. There we go. Now we need to go back to this and then just add. You're not in the middle. Okay, now you're in the middle. So now we need to go back to this and change. I want you to be the same. There we go. So let's go back to the play button again and then add our play. And move you to where you're in the right spot. And there we go. We need to go back. Let me make sure that we go to this, and then, because I have to do that, so whenever when green flag clicked, instead of doing when green flag clicked, when switch to backdrop, when backdrop switches to backdrop 2, then it'll create a clone of myself. And again, we need to make sure we go to the front layer and we hide it. And then when backdrop switches to backdrop 2, then we'll show. So that's that. And then we need to so now we need to, when green flag clicked, hide. And we also need to make sure we go back to this code, and when green flag clicked, we also switch to backdrop. So, switch to backdrop 1. That way, that works. And since that's that, we need to. What else are we gonna do? Oh, we need to go back to and set this and yeah. So when green flag clicked, go to 0, 0, and also forever if the sprite, no, yeah, so do that, and then when this sprite is clicked, then we're going to switch to backdrop 2, and we're going to hide this guy. Hide this John. There's the hide. Boom. So that works, and it creates that. But you might notice it doesn't show. And we can also press the bullets button. And if the play button, let's see. I've been scratching for a little while now. Not scratching, I'm in making a game in Scratch, and I have no views on this live stream yet. Besides myself, which is one. But yeah. Let's. Mm-hmm. Okay. That was my dad that came in. In case you were wondering. Do we have someone watching now? That's good. Comment down below if you're the person watching. Because it's not me. So comment, I want to see. Let's go to my live stream. Let me quickly do that. Do your channel. Why does it say one, but let me quickly do that. I think so too. Why is that? There's one that's watching now. And there was two. Okay, well, that might have been a glitch. Oh, it's not a glitch. There's 2 likes. Where? Hold on. pausing for a second. But anyways. Let me actively push this button. There we go. So now everyone's walking, click, and look at chat. So that's that. We're going to now that I've figured out a way to stream Scratch. So since now that I've figured out a way to stream, I'm gonna try to stream like every week or something. Stream like making a game or working on a game. I don't know why the enemy's not working, but I'll try to figure that out. But we need to do something before I can do that. I think it's actually really good at let me make sure that if touching my enemy, then we're going to and also has a cone if touching the enemy. That if touching the enemy, then we should on making a shooter game. There we go. Oh, let's just full chat. Let's see. When best dice that I got actually like one person won. Is he still on? I don't know. Maybe. Let's. Anyways. Yeah, I don't think he's still on. But anyways. We're gonna I don't know. don't know if he is online still. I don't think he is online. When did he? Never mind. But that's nice. Getting one person on the stream. It's more than I thought it would. And yeah. Actually, let's recheck this. Is there someone on? Is he still on? I can't tell. That'll, I guess. I don't know. It might notify me. Let me about to work on the game. Okay. So he might have like rewind it or something. I don't know. But let's do that. Okay. So, if anyone's watching and you have any reason why my shooter is not working, the enemy won't die. And here's the code for if because the enemy won't die when touching the dart. There's the code for it. If you have anything that might notify me why, then please comment that. But yeah, so the enemy won't die. I'm gonna be right back. I have to go to the bathroom, so I'll just like turn this off for a second. So yeah. Yeah. There is still the audio input capture still working. Wait, it's still recording my audio. Is it? Yeah, it is. Okay. Anyways, that doesn't matter. But I will be right back. So yeah. Okay, so I'm back. So, I can get back to work on the game. And yeah, let's go ahead and check chat. Yeah, let's see, there's like 0 viewers, you know. Yummy. Alright. B. Let's see. Well, there's no one anymore, but it's not bad. I mean, I did end up getting one person on, and that's really all that I really wanted, you know? So, yeah, that's not bad. I did get a light, like an extra. Wait, can I like check that on here? No, I can't, but anyways. Can't figure out the end to this game. I'm gonna go back to player. If touching the enemy, then it should hide. And also switch to backdrop. No, if switching that, then it should delete the clone. Delete the clone. And then we're going to create a new backdrop for game over. Game over. There we go. There's that backdrop, and then we need to also, if switching on backdrop, then switch to backdrop. Switch to backdrop 3. And that should. Why is this not showing? My backdrop, switch to backdrop 3 high, duplicate. No, when you can click, show you. Then if I go play, there you go. And if I put any, you're not dying for some reason, but I don't do that. And then we also need to get to where whenever you switch to backdrop 2. Whenever we switch to backdrop 3, we're going to hide. There we go. It's not that good. Oh my goodness, man. Why is it player way up there? Oh my goodness, where's the... You should have went to 0, 0. Yeah, see, whenever if I click, you go to 0, 0. And so should you. Delete. Okay. Not when you're in my click, we need to do whenever you switch to backdrop 2, then you can go to 0, 0. That fixes that. But we still, this is the only problem that I have. This is literally the only problem that I have. This doesn't make any sense. But, oh, my back hurts. Oh my goodness, what am I doing? So, this doesn't make any sense because, first of all, can we just like delete this? There we go. I'm glad that there was one person that did actually join the... There was one person that joined the live. Better than better than... But we still have 1 viewer. I'm not even... Oh my goodness. This doesn't make any sense. Yeah, there we go. Now switch to 0 viewers. Okay. So... Hello. So that's that. What if we change the name of the dark to like bullet? There we go. Go to the player. No, go to enemy. Enemy is touching bullet. Bullet. Yeah, this there we go. I don't understand why it's not working. I might have to like completely. I don't know. I don't understand. But yeah, that should not be working. Because it should delete the clone. And the gun should only work. Never. I switched to clone. Never switched to clone. That way. That it doesn't show them extra things. We don't have any other costumes for like basically how everything works and looks. But it's aggravating because it won't kill the enemies. And I don't know why. The enemy can kill me, but I can't kill the enemy. So hopefully, like, it would be nice if someone was watching and then they could, like, you know, tell me. But I don't even know why there's like no. Why is there no one, no, what do I call it? I don't know. But we might have to. This game is being weird, and I don't know why. The game is being weird, and I don't know why. The game is being weird, and I don't know why. The game is being weird, and I don't know why. Why? Do I do the circle shooter so I can just like get back the basically everything? But yeah, so we're gonna go to the circle shooter so that we can get back. We're just gonna download the sprite for the enemy in this one because yeah. Can we download this sprite? Yeah, export it. There's the enemy sprite. And then if we then upload the sprite, which I just downloaded, enemy 1. There we go. So I should delete this enemy and name you to be enemy. Just the regular old enemy. Well, they're not moving for some reason. Yeah, it's still not working. It's still not working. Yeah, I don't know why. No, it's still not working. It's still not working. I don't know. It's still not working after I stinking. Oh, it works now. Why was this working 2 seconds ago? Why is it not? Oh my goodness. This doesn't make any sense, and this doesn't make any sense. It's the only aggravating thing about shooter games. So, so they can't figure this out. This is gonna be the end of today's stream. But I think I will do another stream, like after this, making a different game. So yeah, that's gonna be